Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the DStv Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Cape Town City 1. I'm joined by Dikomiki.
The one and only.
How are you, my brother?
I'm very good, and you?
Congratulations on your win.
Hello. You have to.
You have to, my brother.
You have to. Hello. Warat.
How win you more?
I think it's not a final.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Neri prepare la final.
What's a halango finally now? The Pirates, the copy.
I think Pirates last ne.
Yes.
One file 3 points. But because Nagi stinch,
yes.
8 million.
Yes. I remember that.
So no.
Yeah.
Koicha back.
You want your 8 million back?
Koicha. Even
how about copy?
Koicha back. Barata.
Ulayenka. Kankani.
Yes,
yes.
Yeah, Richie.
The copy Chiefs is number 10.
Papa Wawagai. Papa Wawagai. Yes. Chiefs or my build.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
Ndate Mutang, actually all players, yes. Kaizer Chiefs ne, I say Europe, just for camping. During Lukwa, actually player just Sundowns,
yes.
I say go starting by Kaizer Chiefs players,
yes.
But the better Badira Shimani. After 15 years,
yes.
Only player check votes.
Utaba building.
Besides that, one day, that Chiefs. Yes. And the Chiefs, Chiefs, number 8. Yes. They will open all Sundowns. Yeah, we better not go in there. We better go back.
Whoa. Serious. Little Chiefs, Ishilwe, come home.
Chiefs, you did like a boom. You could open all Sundowns. And they got 5-1. Yes. You can over 10-1. So no, we better not go in there.
Okay.
Number 9.
Man of the match, the copy.
Man of the match. Man of the match, keep Papa Wow. Man of the match, keep Papa Wow.
The copy. Keep Papa Wow Juan.
Man of the match, keep Papa Wow. Juan. Ora lukile munat. Achia Chiefs is a go number 9 or 10.
Papa, the man of the match is a Chiefs go number 9 or 10.
Exactly. Haga sufukucho ugulela ka Sundowns. Chiefs, they will never come alright.
As the player of the season, Wawa.
Goalkeeper of the season.
Chiefs, thank you.